lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and today's video is going to be a cheap nail supply haul from eBay and Aliexpress. So I have been videoing this over the past couple of weeks because a lot of stuff I ordered, like the first lot of stuff is from eBay, and I ordered it on the 9th of March, and it's only now about 2-3 weeks ago started to come in. It was I don't know. It was like in transit for about 67 to 70 days, my parcels. I was like, what is going on? But they all finally came. So the first seller, I bought these 4 different dried flower tubs. They all come in like this cling film wrap, and they all come in these heart-shaped little tubs, which I thought was really, really cute. And there's some really lush dried flowers in each of these pots. Some of the bottom flowers look a bit dead, but it's fine. Like, you still got a lot there for, and these were like £1.50 each, so that's pretty good. These are actually the first dried flowers I ever bought, but they took so long to come. I ended up buying different ones. So the next seller is some different sort of flower foils. They were £1.50 for the foils, the foil case on its own. And then I also bought these nail embellishments for £1.10, I believe they were. There's just like a load of different things. There's pearls, there's little there's little gold pieces, and some flowers. So I decided to buy a couple of different colours. So I bought the pink, navy blue, light blue, purple, and like a whitish sort of silver colour. I'm really, really happy with these, and I can't wait to use them. They're absolutely stunning in my opinion. But like I said, these are all the stuff that I mentioned so far now is going to be off of eBay. When we get onto the Aliexpress haul stuff, I will of course mention it. So these are the next things that I bought from eBay, and they were 99p, and it's just a wheel of some silver and gold pieces that you can cure into your nails. There's some seahorses, some suns, there's shells, an anchor, starfish. There's like a load of different variety there, but I thought it was great for 99p. This was off AliExpress, but it come like in a big bulk of the eBay things, but this was off AliExpress. And this is just some iridescent chrome powders. Again, I think these were 79 to 99p. I can't quite remember. I'll have to find it and check. And then last but not least, these were the last things that I got off of eBay as well, and these were some more embellishments for your nails. It's just a little mixture in a tub. Again, these were 99p each, and there's just a lot of different things in there. There's some like stars, moons, there's some rhinestones, some little like pearls, you name it, it's in there basically. But I was really happy with these. So you get like, this one's like a bronzy rose gold, and then the other one is just gold. But yeah, these were really pretty, and I'm really happy with them. There's also some caviar beads in the bottom of this one. So the next parcel is all from one seller, and this one is off of AliExpress, and it is Full Beauty. I absolutely love Full Beauty on AliExpress. The seller, they sell some really great things, and not to mention, like, they're really inexpensive as well as true to the picture, I guess. They're great. So I did buy some more gold embellishments. I think these were like 99p. Everything here is again no more than £1.50, apart from the chrome powders and these 3 little tubs of glitter that I got, but I'll say what's what when they come. So those are the gold pieces. I also got some foils, but I'm going to show you okay. So these are Snowflakes. Now I know it's only May, okay, mind you, I ordered these like 2 months ago as well, but I know it's June now, sorry, I don't know. I like to buy in advance. If I like something, I'm like, oh, and I plan my nail like designs in my head and like ahead of time. So yeah, I was really happy to get them, and I know it's really early to be thinking of Christmas, but I love Christmas. So I also bought some coloured foils and then some coloured foil flakies. Again, I think they were 99p to £1, I can't remember, but they were just under or just over £1. They weren't much, you know. Then I also bought these autumn not stickers, they're decals, but they did say on the thing that they were stickers. But basically, this is like for Thanksgiving. You've got some pumpkins, you've got some autumn leaves, some turkeys. I think you might even have a few like Christmassy things here, but I thought these were really nice and I was really happy with them. And again, these were really inexpensive as well. The next then, these here, okay, so on the listing, it was like, this is the colour, this colour, this colour, and then this one, it was all the colours, and I thought I was buying all like 10 to 12 colours. But I didn't read it properly, and these were like £2 or £2.50, and you actually only get 3 random colours, and they were only 2.5 grams. So I wasn't too happy with that, but it was my fault purely because I didn't read the description properly. So it'll teach me to read the description properly. I usually am so good with that, but I accidentally didn't. Like, I just didn't. So, yeah, my fault. But they are some pretty colours, but you only get 2.5 grams, so I wasn't too happy about that. It was basically you just buying the tubs, I guess. So next we have some maple leaves, sequins for the nails, and they are like chameleon, they shift. And we also got some more snowflakes. These were only 40p each, which I thought was really great. But I thought these come from a different seller, but they all come in the same package, so I guess that they are from Full Beauty as well. I can't wait to actually use that blue shifting green maple leaves in like maybe a summer set, because they do scream summer to me, those colours. Personally, I don't know why, but yeah. And then of course some more of these snowflakes. Again, they were 40p each, so that's not bad for, and you get a lot. You get like 5 to 10 grams, I think, in them. But I thought they were really pretty. And then last but not least, from Full Beauty, I also got these. These were like £2.47, I believe, for 13 pots of pigments, and you get a lot. I think it's like 10 grams in each. Is it 10 grams? It might be 5 grams actually. Don't quote me, but I didn't open them up on screen. I did use them though in my rose rainbow set, so you do see them in their full glory. And also I bought some foils, Christmas foils and flower foils from Full Beauty as well. But yeah, all in all, I was really happy with that parcel. So the next parcel now is a different seller from Aliexpress, and in this one we have, if I can remember, so we have the blue, like that's like blue tack, I guess is the best way to describe it. Also this red thing, I don't know what it is. It fell apart when I pulled it out the packet. I don't know where it is. It feels like rubbery. It's really strange. But I did buy that because I also bought a stand. So that's why they came in the parcel. Then I also bought these pixie crystals. It was buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 bags of pixie crystals, and then I got 2 for free. And I thought that was really great. But like, you don't get much in the bag, but they were only like £1 something. So I bought 2 and I got 2 for free, so it was alright. And then I also got these rhinestones. There's some chunky rhinestones, and then there's some smaller rhinestones. They're all flat back. There's a wax pencil, and you also get a pair of tweezers in this as well, which I thought was great. They come in this like a vacuum packed like plasticky bag. It's like rubber, I guess. And then the chunkier rhinestones come in an actual little tub, so that was great. I thought it went too bad. And then this here is my nail stand. So I obviously do a lot of press-on sets, and I do have the 5-piece stand, but sometimes it's awkward to like paint them, and like you hold just the little plastic thing. But I thought the crystal is a great way to hold my nail perfectly, so that I can do some nail art on, and it's more easy to grip because obviously the crystal is a bigger chunk. So that was, yeah, and I thought they were really pretty, and I was like, I've always wanted one, so I was like, yay, get one. And then the last but not least, then I also bought two spear javelin brush jewel things. I don't know what they're called. Basically, they're like they are gel brushes, but you also get like the other end is they're both brushes on both ends. They're not like a picker. So like you get a gel on one end and then you get like an art brush on the other. I hope that makes sense. So I bought a gold one and a pink one. I thought these were really pretty, but as you can see, this is like an acrylic art brush, and then the other end is a gel brush. And then the purpley pink one is exactly the same as well. But I thought the detailing on the brush was absolutely stunning. I say it's more magenta, I think, the colour of this brush. And again, see, it's acrylic-y sort of brush on one end and then a gel brush on the other. So it's great because you get like 2 for 1, if that makes sense, but they are very small bristled brushes. So the next parcel, I believe, is just some stickers. Yes, these are just, I bought these off Aliexpress, and they were only like £1.50, I think, or £1.60 something. And they are about 50 sheets, and they're all stuck together, as you can see. But there's a variety of different like butterflies and flowers and different colours, like with gold trim, and I thought these were really pretty. And I do show you a couple of them, if not all of them. I think I show a couple. I don't show them all because it's like 50 sheets, but I thought these were stunning and I was really happy with them. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this bit and then I'll be back at the end. I begin to And I'm back, guys. Hello. So the last thing that I got off of AliExpress was some water decals and some other stickers. So these ones here are like artistic. They're like loads of like faces and portraits and dancing and stuff like that, like ballerinas. I absolutely found this stunning and I was like, I gotta try and do like maybe a dancing set, I don't know. And then these here are all little stickers, and they are like stars, bows, hearts, flowers, butterflies, you know, just the basic, dragonflies as well. So they comes, I think there's about 50 sheets or 25 sheets, I can't quite remember, but there are a lot here. These do state on the site that they are glow in the dark, but I tried them and they're not glow in the dark, so, but they're still pretty, so, you know, but they do glow in the UV light, so yeah, I guess I'm still going to use them. They're still very pretty. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.